Welcome to Vizard, your go-to solution for turning long, messy footage into snackable, shareable clips without the usual editing headache. Today we are diving into clip spotting, a simple process designed to help you find those specific moments that actually make people stop scrolling. Think of clip spotting as just the act of manually marking the exact start and end points of a moment you want to transform into a short video. Vizard gives you plenty of ways to do that, whether you prefer dragging handles, typing exact timestamps, or using quick keys for maximum speed. For those who want hands-on control, the timing and sync panel is where the real manual magic happens. This responsive interface allows you to spot highlights fast and precisely using two intuitive modes, dual key and long press. In dual key mode, you press one key to mark the start and another to mark the end, making it perfect for rapid-fire interviewing or conversations. Long press mode is incredibly satisfying because you simply hold the button down for the duration of the clip you want and release to finish. We even included timing compensation so you can offset your inputs if your reaction time is a fraction of a second off the video action. To get started, make sure your project is free of locks, hit play, and choose the marking mode that feels most natural to your flow. When you are looking for that viral hook, always look for moments with a mix of vulnerability and punchy dialogue. Always remember to leave that tiny pause right before a punchline, as it gives you the perfect room to add a caption or a reaction. Pro tip: slow your playback to 0.75 speed to nail those precise beats without missing a single frame. Use the event view to see previous and next moments, which helps you anticipate your next hook before it even hits. If you are on the Pro plan, the Auto Edit engine does the heavy lifting by scanning your footage to surface those viral moments automatically. You can go from a 2-hour live stream to a full week's worth of content in just a few minutes of review time. The built-in content calendar then lets you preview, tweak, and batch publish your clips across all your platforms at once. You can even import your existing transcripts to auto-sync your captions, ensuring that your text always matches your audio perfectly. For a real workflow, imagine uploading a long podcast, letting the AI generate highlights, and then using the panel to nudge those marks. It turns the editing process into a single sane workflow that moves you from raw upload to finished publish seamlessly. Unlike other tools that force you into messy spreadsheets or overpriced subscriptions, Vizard puts smart automation in the sweet spot. We built this to respect creators who want that balance of powerful AI and deep, manual creative control. Don't forget to leverage clip templates so your intros, outros, and branding stay consistent across every single post. You can also pair your clips with short reaction videos to create compilations, which multiplies your output without adding hours to your day. Ultimately, remember that automation is a tool to save your energy, not a replacement for your own human taste and style. Let the machine handle the grunt work of scanning and scheduling so you can spend your time on the edits that really define your voice. When you use Vizard this way, you get precious time back for community interaction and those creative experiments that grow your channel. If you are ready to start, upload your footage now, run the auto highlights, and jump into the timing and sync panel. You will quickly find that combining smart AI with manual control makes editing feel less like a grind and more like a creative sprint. Go turn that long footage into short, punchy content because you have the hook, and Vizard is here to help you make it stick.